Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a small closet transformation. Here is a before picture. My dad is just taking the brackets down. There were approximately 4 brackets in this small room. Alrighty, so here is just an inside clip of the walk-in. This is prior to painting the inside. Alright, so we have progress. That is a 19, a 29, and another 19. Just to go, I did, it's gonna be boots, and this is all shoes. It's just a walkthrough. So the door kind of like blocks the view, but I also installed a lack shelf here just to have for my space. Alright, here is the closet tour. It is the complete look of it. So, ta-da! Like, this is with the PAX closet system. My dad and my boyfriend did a phenomenal job. Kudos, kudos, kudos to them. Get Sasha in the corner. So just some details that I am obsessed with. Don't mind the clothes in the background. This is the mirror with the accessory storage in the back. Pull-out tray. Of course, this is the first thing that I want to put out. Glass front drawer that I'll fill. And this is called the Compliment Pant Hanger. Oops, the door being completely closed, but these are pant hangers. They hold 2 jeans each, and there are 5 of these. So yeah, it's my closet. I'm super excited about it. Alrighty guys, here is the finished look of the closet. It took approximately 2 days to build and another week or so to completely organize. This is going to be the end of the video. If you guys have any questions or comments about the PAX system, designing, or building, please leave them down below for me, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.